Yes? Uramamaza nde? Pedro. You stand up and you come here in front. I need 3 boys and 3 girls. From here. Whom do you want? Wait. I need also 5 girls. Okay. You should be getting 80% in class performance. If you are not getting it, sit down. Now, among these people, we will select the prefects, the head boy, and the head girl. We will choose from them the Minister of Education, the Minister of Hygiene, the Minister of Discipline, okay? And the Sport Minister. It's 4 departments. There is another thing. We will have English prefects and French prefects. And we will need the chaplain for worship team. From these people. Now, let us start from the head boy and the head girls. Who wants to be a head boy and a head girl? Uraza guhagarara imbere uvuge ibyo uzatugezaho. Wiyamamaza nyine niba gutora, it's up to you. Pedro yamaje wenyine. Now, muze muhagarare hano. Muwakomera amashyi. Bagiye kwiyamamariza kuyobora abanyeshuri muri kino kigo bose b'abahungu. Tugiye kubaha umwanya umunota umwe batubwira ibyo bazatugezaho.
Thank you. My name is Mucho Amor Pedro. I am in the campaign of being a head boy. What I wanted to tell you is I'm going to be fair and prevent unfairness, and also I will stop conflicts and manage issues, and also I will help anyone who needs help from me.
Thank you. My name is Twishimire Kanzadore.
One will be the first reader, another one will be the vice reader. Do you get me? Do you get me, please? Okay, you face here. So, who votes Mr. Pedro? Okay. So, who votes Mr. Ganza? Okay. As we can see, Pedro is the head boy, and this is the vice head boy. Head girl. We are here, head girls. Ninde ushaka kuba head girl muri mwebwe? Wakwiyamamaza? Huh? Keep quiet, please. Shekina is raising up the hand. Others, they don't want. Okay, I can see it is only Shekina.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for giving me the speech. My name is Gahire Ora, and I prefer to be the head girl of Happy Kids School. And I wish that I'll protect everyone, and if you need my need, I'll help you, and I'm saying the truth. Thank you.
Thank you. My name is Muvandimwe Chireze Era Priera. I am here to propose if I can be a head girl. If I be a head girl, I would help you to study very well, to avoid you from shouting in the class, and to have harmony and peace. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ineza Masengesho Shekina. I prefer to be a head girl. If I be a head girl, I will help you to study well, and I would help you to don't shout in the class. Thank you.
Have you heard what they said? Mwumvishe ibyo bavuze? I've seen even people who don't know to speak, and let us now vote. So, you understand? Let's see. Who are in vote of this one? I'm counting you. Okay. Who are here? Let us allow the doors to announce the election.
So, keep quiet, please. The winner is Shekina. The second one is Ora. The third one is Priera.
Okay, come here. Stand here. Listen. Devices. Who is this? Is this one the second? Who is the second? You and that guy. You clap for them again. We are reaching to the worship team. Octave. And you. Those are the worshipers. You face them. On the day of fellowship, these people will organize the worshipers, the worship team. Do you understand? You have to organize the school worship team. Thank you. They write you there. Okay, good. Asigai bande. Spot. Who? Now, listen. Nimumutora kuba sport minister, it means ko muri class you will choose another class monitor. Because he can't be. Do you accept? Okay. Let me hear from P5. P5B. Do you accept? Let me hear from the class teacher. Do you accept?
He will be doing it both.
Impossible. It is not possible. Choose one. Sport minister or class monitor. So what do you want? For him, he wants sport. Now, thank you.